Vrikshasana, tree pose.
ವೃಕ್ಷಾಸನ. ವೃಕ್ಷ ಎಂದರೆ ಮರ. ಮರದ ಭಂಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲು ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನು 2 ಇಂಚಿನ ಅಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಲಗಾಲಿನ ಪಾದವನ್ನು ಎಡಗಾಲಿನ ತೊಡೆಯ ಒಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸಿ. ಸ್ಥಿರತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮುದ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸಿ. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸಿ, ಕಾಲನ್ನು ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಿಳಿಸಿ. ನಂತರ ಎಡಗಾಲಿನ ಪಾದವನ್ನು ಬಲಗಾಲಿನ ತೊಡೆಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳ ತೊಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸಿ. ಸ್ಥಿರತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ 2 ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮುದ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸಿ. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರಾಡುತ್ತಾ 2 ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಲನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ.
Vrikshasana, tree pose. The benefits of this pose are: it strengthens the legs and opens the hips. It improves alertness and concentration. It may help those who suffer from nerve pain in leg. It helps with balance and endurance. It improves your neuromuscular coordination.
Dhanurasana.
Lie on your stomach with your feet apart. In line with your hips. And your arms by the side of your body. Fold your knees. Take your hand backward and hold your ankle. Breathe in and lift your chest off the ground. Pull your leg up towards the back. Look straight ahead. Take long deep breath. Gently bring your legs and chest to the ground. Release the ankle and relax.
Benefits of Dhanurasana, above pose. It strengthens back and abdominal region. It stimulates reproductive organs, provides greater flexibility to back. It opens up the chest, neck and shoulders. It helps people with renal problems. It helps in people with menstrual disorders and cures constipation. It relieves headache.
Halasana, the plow pose.
Namaste. Now let us move towards another asana known as plow pose, also known as halasana, which is benefited in various ways and also for diabetes people. So let us get started. Lie down on your mat. Relax. Take deep breath. Slowly bring your feet upward like this and put pressure on your back with the hands. Make your legs straight like this. Slowly bend your legs towards your head and slowly come back like this.
benefits of Halasana. It strengthens shoulder, abdomen, and spine. It improves digestive health, cardiovascular health, and helps prevent diabetes. It prevents menstrual irregularities in case of females. It increases focus. It also helps reduce belly fat.
Pigeon pose, Kapotasana. Namaste. For pigeon pose, we will start from downward dog. So come in downward dog position. Heels touching the ground. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, bring your knee in between your palms. Stretch your back leg as much as you can. Walk backward with your hands and look up to the ceiling. Keep breathing and hold as much as you can. Now walk forward with your hands and place your forehead on the mat. Relax here. Keep breathing and stay in the position as long as you can. Repeat the same with the other leg. Inhale, left leg up. Bring your knee in between both your palms. Stretch your back leg as much as you can. Walk with your hands backward. Look up to the ceiling. Keep breathing. Walk forward with your hands. Place your forehead on the mat. Relax here. Keep breathing. Stay in the position as much as you can. Now come back to downward dog position. Stretch a little and come back up. Thank you.
Kapotasana, pigeon pose. The benefits of this pose are a deep stretch to the entire lower body. It improves the flexibility of the spine. A great chest opener, improving breathing. It activates the entire endocrine system. It diminishes lower back pain and stiffness. And it also improves posture.
Trikonasana.
ಕೋನಾಸನ ಮೊದಲು ಸಹಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಲಗಾಲನ್ನು 2-3 ಅಡಿಗಳ ಅಂತರದಿಂದ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಬಲಮುಖವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಹಸ್ತಗಳು ಭುಜದ ಸಮಾನಾಂತರವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಲಗೈಯನ್ನು ಪಾದದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಡಗೈಯನ್ನು ತುದಿಯ ಬೆರಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾದದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಸಮಾಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೂ ಎಡಗಾಲನ್ನು ಎಡಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಇರಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಡಗೈಯನ್ನು ಎಡಪಾದದ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಬಲಗೈಯನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಇಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹಜ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು.
Benefits of Trikonasana: increases stability, strengthens your core muscles, stimulates your internal organs, reduces stress, strengthens and lengthens your spine.
Janu Sirshasana, head to knee pose.
Janu Sirsasana. Take right leg near the thighs. Take 2 hands up. Take deep breath. Inhale. Take 2 hands near the left leg and bend the head near the knee. Hold deep breath. Slowly exhale. Take 2 hands up. Slowly down the hands. Take deep breath. Then release the right leg.
which is also known as head to knee pose. The benefits of this pose are: this pose removes the belly fat and aid in weight management. It removes the disorders of the abdominal and pelvic region. It stretches the hamstring muscles. It is helpful in diabetes and relieving constipation. It strengthens the lungs. It relieves the tiredness and boosts energy.
Utthita Padmasana.
For Utthita Padmasana, come to Padmasana posture first. Keep your palm for the both side of your body. Balance. With the help of your arm, lift the whole body up. Maintain normal breathing. And slowly come back. Release the Padmasana. Utthita Padmasana. It improves the digestive system. Yes, the core and the abdominal muscles are used in the maximum. So, it helps to improve the digestive system and give confidence to the people who are sitting long hours in this asana. Various muscles like biceps, triceps will get more exercise because the arm postures using maximum in this posture. And also it helps to reduce stress and anxiety. Sitting long hours in this Padmasana will help to be relaxed.
Ustrasana, camel pose.
ಮೊದಲು ಉಷ್ಟ್ರಾಸನ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ವಜ್ರಾಸನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡು ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಸೊಂಟದ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಬಲಗೈಯನ್ನು ಬಲ ಹಿಮ್ಮಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಎಡಗೈಯನ್ನು ಎಡಗೈ ಹಿಮ್ಮಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು. ಹೀಗೆ ತಲೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಇದು 10 ರಿಂದ 20 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನಿಂತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮೊದಲಿನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Benefits of Ustrasana, a camel pose. It reduces fat on thighs. It stretches and strengthens shoulders and back. It enlarges abdominal region and improves digestion and elimination. It enlarges chest and improves respiration. It cures constipation.
Viparit Salabhasana, Superman pose.
I'm going to yoga on Viparita Savasana. First you have to warm up your body and lie down on the floor like this and stretch your arms on front and inhale. Slowly you have to lift your chest, arms and legs. Inhale properly and exhale. And how much you can do, make a C shape. Slowly down your body, chest, legs and arms. Thank you.
Benefits of Viparita Shalabhasana or the Superman pose: stretches and strengthens the muscles of chest, shoulders, arms, legs, abdomen and the lower back. It improves the blood circulation. It is a good workout for abs and the stomach. It massages the back and keeps the back supple.
Veerbhadrasana, warrior pose.
Take your right leg out. Turn your right feet towards the right side.
Benefits of Virabhadrasana: strengthens your arms, shoulders, legs and ankles, encourages good respiration and circulation, increases balance, stability and focus. It energizes the whole body.
Chakrasana, the wheel pose.
Namaskar everyone. Today we are going to do Chakrasana, also known as wheel pose. So this asana is benefited in various ways and also for diabetes people. So let us get started. You have to lie down on your yoga mat. Slowly move your knees upward like this. Slowly bend your hands. Place your palm near your shoulders. For the beginners, you can only rise up your hips and put pressure on your head and hands. For the beginners. And slowly, when you are in regular practice, you can slowly move your head up like this. Slowly come back to the lying position. Straighten your leg and hands and do rest for a while. Thank you.
Benefits of Chakrasana or wheel pose. It strengthens abdomen, spine, shoulders, hands and legs. It improves the function of the digestive and reproductive system. It cures thyroid disorder. It is also good for back pain. It stretches chest and lungs, strengthens pancreas, liver and kidney.
Supta Virasana, reclining hero pose.
Sukta Shirasasana. Firstly, do Parvatasana, then Vajrasana, slowly bend back side with the help of the hand to hands. Slowly take 2 hands up. Inhale. Then release the 2 hands slowly. With the help of 2 hands, come position. Then release the Vajrasana.
Benefits of Virasana: it stretches the thighs, knees and ankles, strengthens the arches, improves digestion and relieves gas, helps relieve the symptoms of menopause, therapeutic for high blood pressure and asthma.